Hi there. My mother-in-law gave me this box of notions, and there's kind of some old-timey stuff in here. So I wanted to go through it, but I thought I would let you guys see me go through it at the same time so we can go through it together. So let's unbox. So first of all, there's this Better Homes and Garden sewing book. Now, I've never had a book like this. Oh, there's like patterns in here. There's alterations. Oh, so this is like basically a book that like cutting the dress. So basically you're getting to see sewing the sleeves, sportswear. Okay, so I get it. I get it. There was, whoops, something just fell. There's a piece of wood. I don't know what that was doing in there or if it has any purpose. So let's see what else is in here. We have got bias tape in here. Okay, so I got to tell you guys, because I work in the sewing notions industry. Look at this. This is like building bias tape and rights. Whoops. So rights, this one here, they're making this anymore. The whole Simplicity Sewing group has sort of dismantled itself, and Rights was part of that. So Rights is no longer making any package bias tape. So if you see some Rights bias tape in a package and you need it. Get all that you need, maybe even more, because honestly, you're not going to see it anymore. Belding, I haven't heard of this for a long time, although I know this is another popular one, but we've got here, so orange and yellow, green. This is, okay, oops. So this is single fold bias tape. Just gonna give you a little lesson here. Single fold bias tape, and you would just fold it like that, or you could use this, sew it like this along the top and the bottom and make a casing for elastic. That's what you could use single fold bias tape for. This is, I guess this is extra wide single fold bias tape, and this is regular single fold bias tape. You can see sort of the difference here. I'll let you hold it up. So you see how this one is quite wide and this one is pretty narrow. Put them side by side like that. You can kind of see that. What else have we got in here? We have got safety pins. Everybody needs safety pins. This looks like, I don't know. We've got thread. Whoops. And I just dropped. We've got more bias tape. And yet more bias tape. She used a lot of this bias tape. We've got this ribbon. I'm not sure what she used this for, but it's sort of like old ribbon. Kind of neat. What would you use this ribbon on? I would love to hear comments on what would you use this type of ribbon. Where would you put this? I would love to hear that. Let's see here. We've got, what is this? This is a bib. This is a big bib. This is probably an adult bib, I would think. And it's just got a tie here, like a loop. And you would just pull this through here. So there's no snaps. You just pull it so it stays on. Swear sometimes we all need bibs, right? Oh, this looks old. This isn't even a sewing notion, but you know how as we always get like tins of stuff? There you go. What has she got in here? Definitely a sewing kit. We've got some Schmetz stretch needles. Universal needles. We've got some sewing feet in here. I don't even know what kind of needle that is. It's not labeled. Bobbins. I've never seen bobbins like this before. This is like pretty skinny. Do you see that? Like the top. I just show you this. One of these sides is bigger than, like, wider, I guess, than the other one. That's interesting. I wonder what kind of machine that's from. Very interesting. We have a tray. We have sewing needles. We've got some hook and eyes. Made for you with love. So that must have been like for the grandkids or something. The pill separator. Shoulder pads. You remember shoulder pads? We got those. We got more thread here. Oh my goodness. What is this? Super steel satin pins. Oh, these have got to be those really fine. Oh, I'm afraid to open this. We don't want it to spill everywhere. Oh, it's not pins. It's not pins. It's like, oh, they're loose beads of sequins or something. Boy, you could have fooled me. It sure sounded like pins too, and it weighed that. It's a box of surprises. You never know what you're going to get. See what else is in here. Here's something in a bag. Oh, we've got a glove. We have split rings. So this is like keychains. So like little keychain rings. Those would be good for crafting. We have a whole bunch. Not sure what that would have been used for. We have snaps and a snap tool. We have Singer needles. I'm not sure what kind you'd use those for. Oh, we have much more bias tape. And tangled brown thread. I'll just add it here. And another bag here. Oh, this has like a bunch of leather in it. Leather. Oh, and some dried up glue. That's holds glue. But this leather, you never know. Like, maybe do something kind of cool with this leather. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's a bunch of thread and buttons that we have. There's our thimble. This is, now these look like pins. So you know what? I'm not going to open them. I'm sure they're pins. Then we have some more thread and bias tape, mini safety pins. Everybody has safety pins. When you're a sewer, you need safety pins. So much in there. Oh, there's something on a roll. Oh, there's more lace. Like this kind of lace. Now tell me what you would use this kind of lace for. Like, I'm not really sure what I would use this lace for, but I would love to know what you have to say about it. This is, it's like ribbon, but it's not. It's like a satin ribbon. Oh, the real thing came short. But yeah, I'm not really, you can kind of see through it. I don't really know what kind of ribbon this is. But pardon the emergency vehicles going by. Buttons. Built-in buttons. What is this? Style Snaps. World's first snap and hem solution. This looks like, oh, there's a price tag on here. I don't know. Bath, something Bath and Beyond. Not sure that is. Well, this looks kind of, well, this is more trim, if you will. Trim. There's more trim. I'm not really sure. I don't think I'd ever use this, but maybe somebody would. There is some blue fabric. It feels like a polyester-ish / cotton something or other. Ah, this looks like band roll. Oh wait, no, it's not. This is for curtains, I think. Yeah, I think you sew this along the top and the bottom, and then there's these little, right here, I gotta try and pull it. These two little ropes. like this, and look, you pull it, and it makes, you can't really see it because it wants to jump back, but it makes these pleats. So that's what that is. That's left over from something or other. Whoops. There's a little bit more trim. We're almost at the bottom of this box here. There's some more trim here. We've got needles, So Easy sewing needles, still brand new in the package. And this is butter soft leather. This is super soft. Like, you can just see it, how flexible this is. This is kind of cool. And, couple of buttons, pearl buttons like that. There we go. So we've emptied this box. Thanks for joining me on finding out what cool, fun stuff that she had in this box for me. Let me know what you would do with some of these laces. I would really be interested to know if you have any cool ideas or something like that on what I can do, how I can use those trims and those laces. So thanks for watching, and leave me a comment below. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and give me a follow. Thanks. Bye for now.